What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man back with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about these restocks that just happened yesterday and some restocks that are coming up very soon, man. I was on a live stream with Topps World, AJ, J Sneaker Guy, and a couple other people, man. They was talking about all these restocks we were getting, and they said there are going to be a lot more restocks to come, man. So we're going to discuss that in this video, and I also have an unboxing for you guys right here. Check it out. But before we get too far into it right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel and hit the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. I have a dope video dropping tomorrow with me and my wife, man. We're gonna be doing a smack or facts video, man. We've been seeing this video like trending and stuff like that. So we ain't doing nothing. We quarantined in the house. So we decided to bring this video to you guys on the channel, man. So stay tuned. Have the notification bell on. If y'all want to see my wife slap me with a handful of powder, man, make sure you have the notification bell on so you can tune in to that video, man. It's going to be very funny. It's going to be very epic. And also take advantage of the Air Jordan 1 2.0 Core Purple giveaway that will be ending April the 3rd, man. That's in a couple of days. So take advantage of it. The rules for that will be in the description box below. But the main rule for the giveaway is to be subscribed to the channel and to follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE World, man. And if you have not hit that like button yet, man, make sure you hit the like button. That really helps the channel grow. That shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. And let's get up to 200 likes on this video, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this unboxing first. Then we'll get into the restocks topic. All right, guys, check it out, man. I think you guys already know what kind of box this is. You got the security closure tape. You already know it's coming straight from adidas.com, man. You guys know I did a video talking about this shoe last week. I was talking about a lot of Yeezys, and I was like, man, I really want this silhouette, and I was finally able to get it. You guys already see the 8 in the middle. You see that 3 right there, man. We got the Adidas Yeezy 380 Mist, man. I'm so used to saying 350, but we finally got a pair of 380s in the collection. I wish it was the aliens, but it's not. These recently released this past weekend, and check it out right there. You see Yeezy Boost 380, and the fish colorway is Mist. And I went true to size with this, the size 9. And I'm just going to show you guys this shoe real quick before we get into the restocks topic. We'll be doing a full review and on feet over these, but I did want to show you guys that I finally have them in the collection. It feels so good, man. Like, I really wanted this 380 silhouette in the collection. I finally have it. And you guys do know my grail right now to get this year is the 380 aliens. But these right here will do fine for me. I really like this colorway. It's something different. The silhouette is different. And you know, a lot of people with Yeezy, they say, oh, it's trash, but give it a couple months for it to grow on them, and they'll be definitely trying to grab a pair of 380s in the future, man. So a lot more colorways that's been rumored to release, and a lot of them are looking very fire, and I can see myself copping a lot of the rumored 380 releases, man. So let me know right now in the comment section below if you have these 380 Mist in your collection. Like I said, it's my first 380, but it's a lot more to come to the collection, man. I will be dropping a full review and on feed maybe tonight or tomorrow, but I'm really excited about doing that smacker facts with the wife, man. It's gonna be very funny. I can just tell, man. So make sure you tune in that video. So let's get these Yeezys out the way real quick. Let's put them right here. All right, guys, so these restocks, I know you guys, I know everybody in the sneaker community has been noticing all the restock sneakers app have been doing. I know a lot of people was like, why are they doing the sneakers app restocks and stuff like that? And we came up with a lot of theories last night on Topps World live stream. If you have not checked that out, make sure you go subscribe to Topps World and look at this past live stream, man. We had a lot of dope people, a lot of people with a lot of sneaker knowledge, and we was like, bro, why are they doing all these restocks? And a lot of people's theory was that they're trying to push out the B grades that they had in the factories, the leftovers, some of the shoes that was supposed to hit the outlets. You know, the outlets are closed. Now they got all that inventory back into like the actual factory of Nike, I guess you could say. Now they starting to release it online via the sneakers app, man. So that was the first theory. But it's a lot of shoes dropping, man. As you guys do know, yesterday we had the Biotech Dunk Lows, we had the Dunk Low Plums, we had the SB Zoom Dunk High Rivals pack. It was a lot of shoes. I put a couple pictures up here of what restock. I think you guys kind of already know. We had the SB Dunk High Walk the Dogs, and that was the first one I tried to get. I remember when this shoe first came out, I was like, bro, I really want this shoe. I don't have any SB highs in the collection, and I thought this is one of the dopest one to release in the past couple years, man. And we also had the Air Force One Low Premium. What the LA, bro? I really didn't think people was gonna be trying to go after a lot of these shoes because of what's going on right now. So I was like, man, hopefully I can go on here and get me an easy W with the what the LAs. But as you guys do know, as soon as you went to the site, J23 app sent that notification out, and pretty much everything was going. I was like, bro, what? I literally tried on every single shoe to put my size 9 in and my shipping information and stuff like that. And after that, everything was sending me notifications, sold out. And then even after it said sold out, it still had the price. I was like, man, let me try to get another size, you know what I'm saying, try to flip to get my size. And I couldn't do it, man. I was so upset. But I say all this to say that there are going to be way more restocks in the future. I was hearing that the Fear of God 1s are going to be restocking. Some Bread 11s are going to be restocking. The Air Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0s are going to be restocking. And I do believe that the Air Jordan 1 UNC Chicago women's will be restocking as well, man. A couple of little gems here and there. As you guys do know, they put those Walk the Dogs in the last restock. They put the What the LAs in the last restock. I think they're going to be throwing a couple of those little hype sneakers in their restock. So make sure you have the J23 app so you are notified when these restocks happen. I can guarantee you that's going to be a lot more restocks to come. And I was telling you guys in my live stream I did with a couple other sneaker YouTubers, I was like, bro, it's going to be way more restocks. The releases are going to be getting pushed back. So you have to get the J23 app and be following along on Instagram and stuff like that to get notified what is going on with the sneakers and stuff like that during this time that we're going through. You guys let me know right now in the comment section below what shoes you think will be restocking soon. I can see a lot of people telling me the Breads, but I do believe they're going to be having a lot more stuff. And also let me know if you can hit on anything on the restock that happened yesterday, man. I appreciate everybody for pulling up to this video. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below if you copped the 380 Miss. This is one of my favorite shoes in the collection right now. I just love the model, not the colorway specifically, but the model of this shoe is very dope. It's very different and futuristic, I must say. I'll be doing a full review and on feet over the shoes, so make sure you stay tuned for that and have the notification bell on so you get notified. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already to the channel, man. Also, head over to IG if you don't mind and give your boy a follow and take advantage of the Air Jordan 1 2.0 Core Purple giveaway. Like this video before you leave, man. The goal for every video is 200 likes. Go check out my last video where I did the jean collection and where to find affordable and cheap jeans. And I also included a discount code for one of those clothing brands, man. So make sure you go check out the last video talking about where to find you some nice affordable denim. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for pulling up. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you in the next one, man. Peace.